In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an advanced method in Blender's shader editor to enhance your materials and textures more effectively. Together, we'll transform your objects with precision and care, ensuring they look just right. Let's dive into it. First, what we need to do is open up the shading workspace at the top of the Blender interface. This specific workspace is designed to help us focus on the material and texture elements we'll be working with. Look for the Shading Workspace tab. It's usually among the list of workspaces at the top of your screen, and give it a click. To make sure everything is set up correctly, ensure that the object you want to work with is selected in the viewport. Once you've selected the right object, it's important to check that it has a material assigned to it. This part is crucial because without an assigned material, we wouldn't have the necessary foundation for applying complex textures. In the shader editor, which takes up the lower half of your screen in the shading workspace, you should see a node called Principled BSDF. This node is where most of the magic happens and acts as the core for your texture manipulations. Next, we need to incorporate the image texture into our shader workflow. Press Shift and A on your keyboard while in the shader editor to bring up the Add menu. In this menu, search for Image Texture and select it to add a new node to your layout. Once this node is visible, we have to load our image file. Click the button that says Open on this node. From there, you can navigate to and select the appropriate image file that you want to apply as a texture to your object. Once your image is loaded, let's make sure our texture is visible on the surface. We do this by connecting the new image texture node to the Principled BSDF node. Take the color output socket of the image texture node and link it by dragging a line over to the base color input socket of the Principled BSDF node. This connection tells Blender that the color information from our image should be used as the base color for our object. Now, if you're dealing with multiple texture maps like roughness or normal maps, Blender has a fantastic tool to streamline this process. To enable this, make sure you have the Node Wrangler add-on activated. Go to your preferences under the Edit menu, then go into Add-ons and look for Node Wrangler. If it's not already checked, enable it. This tool provides a major shortcut. With the Principled BSDF node selected, use the combination Ctrl, Shift, and T. This keyboard shortcut opens up the file browser where you can select all your relevant texture files at once. Once selected, click on Principled Texture Setup. This will automatically connect your chosen textures to the correct inputs on the Principled BSDF node, beautifully organizing your node setup and making sure each map is placed where it belongs. By following these steps carefully, you'll find that managing textures becomes much more efficient and, dare I say, enjoyable. This method not only saves you time, but ensures that your materials are as detailed and realistic as possible. Thanks for tuning in, and happy rendering.